feeling
I see a rainbow.
a rainbow. Can you describe it for me?
It's big and bright. I see the mountains, the trees.
Beautiful. What else do you notice here?
It's safe.
It's a good feeling indeed. I want you to look just directly around you, like down at the ground. What do you notice?
I'm barefoot.
Good.
I can feel the moss on my feet.
Beautiful. What else do you notice?
The beautiful sounds, the trees,
Yes.
and the
Describe it.
birds.
I want you to take a look at your feet. Are they normal feet? Are they women's feet? Men's feet? What do you notice?
And they're my feet.
Good. Good. Okay, and I just want you to scan up your body. So what are you wearing?
Like peasant clothes. I don't even know why I would say that, but peasant clothes.
Okay. Perfect. You're doing beautiful. All right. Do you have any jewelry on your hands or do you
No,
have? Okay.
very natural, just basics.
Beautiful. So do you notice anything else about your body?
My hands and feet are dirty.
Okay.
But it seems to not matter.
So why are your hands and feet dirty?
From working,
Okay. And what work
work,
do you do?
working in the ground,
Ground.
plants and herbs, flowers, medicine.
Nice. And what do you do with these plants and herbs and medicines?
Heal,
No.
help. Source gave us what we need in the plants. We just have to use them.
Oh. And how do you use these to help people?
They come to me. I feel what ails them. And the earth tells me what fixes them.
And how does the earth communicate with you to let you know these things?
Through energy. It's all energy. The energy from the ground heals. What's the missing energy?
What else can you tell me about this?
You use your hands. It's like they speak to you. They tell you what they need.
Wonderful.
It's just an intuition. I feel it within.
Is there a certain part of your body that you feel it specifically?
My hands.
Your hands. And how do your hands react? How does that feel?
My hands can feel the pulse of the earth. My hands can feel the heartbeat of every plant. My hands can breathe life. My hands heal. My hands can transmit energy from one source to another and make it exactly so.
Beautiful. What a gift. And we go to a time in which Bree is using this hands-on healing in that life. And show her how it's done.
I grind up the roots of the plant. I use sap from the trees because that's their blood. I breathe air of life into the wound and then put the roots and sap on with my hands and transfer all energy of healing from plant and sun and earth.
It's a beautiful gift, a beautiful mission.
It's important. It will be needed.
It will be needed for what?
There's no other way. There's no other way to heal. There's no other way. It'll be the only way. Without the plants, people won't heal.
And how did you learn how to do this healing work?
By being in nature, listening to the plants, and feeling their energy, and knowing that they have more purpose, they have more to give.
That's beautiful. Let's go to an important day in this life where you facilitate a healing. Go to the most important day and let me know what's going on.
I'm crying.
Right?
It must be someone important to me.
So what's going on around you?
Mm. Gathering frantically. In the forest, running.
What are you gathering?
Special plants. Special plants that are very rare.
What plants are those? What are they called?
Blue tansy. It's a miracle flower. I have to find it.
What kind of miracles does the blue tansy provide?
Cell renewal.
Say that again.
Cell renewal.
Cell renewal. Beautiful. Is there any other herbs you're looking for? Flowers? Barks?
Hmm. I'm thinking there's something else.
What does it look
I,
like?
I find a tree. It's a special tree. It's huge. I've never seen a tree like this before.
Beautiful. What does it look like?
Really, really wide, really thick bark. And it has mushrooms. They're
Wonderful.
different. They're different than any mushroom I've ever seen.
What does it look like?
They're green and they glow.
And what is the purpose of this mushroom?
It's for the medicine. I don't know in this moment. I just know I need it.
That's perfect. Okay, so you're gathering up all your items that you need and you're going back to heal somebody. Let me know what you notice as you're doing this.
It's bad. Like black lesions or black holes on the skin. It
And how did you
spreads.
get those?
It's some kind of virus. It spreads fast. The only way to stop it is this special mixture. You have to stew the mushrooms and use the byproduct to mix with the flowers.
So what
Then
other flowers?
you drain the flowers. The flowers go on the wounds, and you must drink the mixture to heal within, to heal the surface.
Happens next.
He gets sick. His stomach. I put my hands on his stomach. I can feel it working. I tell him, just breathe. And he sleeps. His fever goes down. black turns to brown. The brown turns to tan. To tan turns the skin.
Amazing. You do good work. So as that boy's healing, do you have a special relationship with this boy?
My grandson.
Grandson? So now that he's healing and he's resting, and do you have a recipe book or a book that you keep this recipe in? And we find out what other flowers and things are in that mixture.
Yes, there's a book. It's a lot of pictures. I don't know the names of everything, so sometimes I just draw a picture.
Wonderful. Good.
Describing what to look for and where to look for it. I have a table where there's lots of files and jars. And that's where the book is. It's on the table.
Do you want to stop and look through that book for anything? Or would you like to continue on?
The book doesn't make much sense to me.
How's your grandson doing now?
He's sleeping
Good, good.
and healing.
Is there a word or a name for that virus sickness that he had?
Black Death.
Uh,
Black Death because it just eats your skin.
mm,
It eats soft tissue. People are just eaten alive.
the world is lucky to have you in it to be able to help.
These plants are rare and hard to find. I can't help everyone. I don't know what to do.
Let's go to the next most important day in this life and find out what's going on and how you're helping. We'll be there in 3, 2, 1. Be there now. What do you notice around you?
I feel like it worked.
What worked?
I took care of the earth and it took care of me.
What took care of you?
I couldn't find the plant, so I knew I had to plant them and take
And
care of them.
what did you plant?
Blue tansy
Blue tansy. Beautiful.
and birch trees.
Birch? Is there anything else that you planted and that you're taking care of?
Yes. Wild sweet pea.
One of my favorites.
It has many uses.
What is it used for?
I'm kind of silly to say, but it makes great conditioner.
Beautiful.
It's a binding ingredient, not the flower, but the vine. The vine is strong. The vine has many uses. I also grow what is that? There's a kind of bush. Has vines with thorns, but it grows these beautiful little purple flowers. And the bush has the thorns because those flowers contain something magical. All these things, when combined, they can heal anything.
wonderful information. So do you plant these herbs and take care of these at where you live or around where you live?
Yes, I have fields as far as you can see. I protect them. I love them because they protect and take care of us. Without the plants, we'd all be sick. There are no more plants in lots of areas. So it's hard to find. That's why they come to me.
Are you widely known in your area? Do you help a lot of people?
Yes, I help anyone who comes to me. I don't ask for anything in return, just that they continue on and spread the light.
That is very kind of you.
They give me gifts, and I'll accept their love and generosity,
Good.
but I seek no payment or reward. I just love all, and if they are willing to come to me, I will help them.